All right. Here is another MacBook charger that has an issue. No output at all, and then it has been losing here parts. Just removed everything. We just disassembled it, and then we are set to shoot. Now, first thing for what did I check? First, I checked if the cable has continuity. The first thing first, I confirmed the continuity of the cable, and then I discovered if you check the sound, it means it is continuous on this. It's continuous, and here it's also continuous this way. That has been tested, and check the other terminal. Also continuous. So, and there is no short between the two, meaning the cable is okay. Now, that means the problem is on board, and that's what we are trying to see if we could narrow it down. Now, what's the problem? There is a challenge with the polarity. The two polarity are bridged together, meaning that there is a challenge along either the capacitor or the diode, output capacitor and output diode. And then we're going to be checking that right now. Let us check. All right. We'll use here's the diode, a Shoki diode. We're going to remove it, desolder it from the board. This is the Shoki diode at this angle. The Shoki diode behind this capacitor here at the back. It's at the back here. That's its line here. That's the capacitor. So I'm going to solder it right now. All right. So the diode has been desoldered from the board, and we will need to test it now. Let's test it right now. We'll test it. This is the ground. Is that okay? Then this is short. It is short to the output, the positive part of this diode. There are two positives to it, this and this. So this positive is not shorted, while this is shorted. So these two are shorted together. So that means this diode is bad. So there's a need for replacement. So quickly look for a replacement for it right now. The negative, the ground part of the outputs, trying to put it back to shape. That has been fixed. Then let's quickly see if we can test the charger. Now it was okay. I will need to use test lamp. I'll just use this test it. Just test this. Now I can perceive sounds indicating that power is connected to it. Let us check the outputs. Let's check the screen. Now we see it at 16.9, meaning the device is back on. It's back on. So thank you. This is Nitty-Gritty Electronic Repairs. If this video has helped you in any way, or has helped you to be able to lay your hands on SMPS, the laptop charger, particularly MacBook charger, then please do us a favor by liking our video, comment on it, share it, and also subscribe to our channel. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe and click the all notification button, and you see more of our videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.